In today's video, I'm going to show you a strategy that I use every single morning when I'm trading NQ, which is NASDAQ. This applies to Forex and futures. This works for both. So if you trade either one of those, this video will be for you. Make sure to stay till the end. I'm going to show you exactly what I look at every single morning. It's very easy. It's something that you can become profitable from. Now, full disclaimer, you can lose from this strategy, of course. If you have been in the trading game for a while, you know that not every single strategy is 100%. Keep that in mind. That's why I always preach on this channel that proper risk management is very important. Knowing where to put your stop loss is very important. So let's get right into the video. Gonna make this super quick and easy, and I'll see you guys next time. Jumping right into the video, we are looking at NQ on the 5-minute time frame. So this is right before I went to replay mode. If you haven't seen any of my videos before and this is your first time here, I always say that please keep in mind that this is replay mode. Every single trader in the world is the best replay trader. So that is not me by any means, but I wanted to show you guys something that I'm looking at right before the New York Stock Exchange open, and it's something that you can apply yourself. So this is right at 8:25 a.m., which is my time right before the New York Stock Exchange open. If you're in a different time zone for me, I'm in Central Time, it's going to be different for you. But for me, it's 8:25 a.m. So as soon as I'm on the charts, I go to NQ on the 5-minute, and I'm looking for my support and resistance zones. So right here, I see clear resistance right here, so I'm going to mark that off. And then right here as well, I see a clear support right here, and which was once resistance. So I'm gonna mark this off just like that. So pretty much that's all I'm doing. Now, all I'm waiting for is the next market open candle to either break these previous highs and this resistance, which if that's the case, my position will be here. Entry will be just above these previous highs. I'm gonna have a very tight stop loss. I always try to do like 20 points. So I'm gonna do a 20-point stop loss, and then my TP, wow, that's actually crazy. It went right to it. It will be going to the next pivot point. I do use an indicator called pivot point standard, which is right here. That's all you got to search for when you're searching for it. And these things, I swear, are like magnets sometimes. So just search for pivot point standard. And then what you're going to want to do when you're on pivot point standard, you're going to want to go to the settings, adjust the type to classic, the pivot time frame to daily. These are just daily support and resistance zones. That's why you put daily. And then I just do number of pivots back. This is how many days you want the pivots to show on your chart. I do one because I like how clean it looks. And then that's it. And then you can make the width of the lines a little bit bigger, however you want. I'm just going to leave mine at 1 like I always do. And then you're going to hit OK. So my take profit would be this pivot. Now, if we get a short position, if this previous low and support gets broken, I'm going to enter this trade here. I'm going to have a nice tight stop loss. And then my target will be this pivot. So let's take a look and see what happens with that New York Stock Exchange open. So right here, as you can see, very simple. We get this nice big bullish engulfing candle, breaks these previous highs, breaks this resistance. I'm in this trade. I'm entering as soon as I see it break that high. Don't be scared to enter. If you're using proper risk, why are you scared? Just get in. So right here, I'm entering in the trade. Now I'm going to be holding until this next pivot, which the risk to reward ratio is a 4.65. See what happens. Next candle, as you can see, comes back down. Now this right here is something that I also love. You can use this to add entries if you want to. This is a retest. So we break this resistance, we retest it as you can see, and then now that is a trade that I love to take. And then from there, you can enter your trade, and then we should be going up to reaching that next pivot, which as you can see, it looks exactly like that's what we're doing. Let's take a look and see. Let me fast forward a little more, and there you go. Your full take profit has been hit. Now, that is something that I look at every single morning, and it's something that you can do as well. So please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you guys have any questions. We are going to be opening up our Discord. Very exciting news for the channel here. At 1,000 subscribers, we're going to be opening up our Discord to the public for everybody to join. You're going to be amongst traders like myself, other traders that are already in the community. Just if you want that, make sure to subscribe. I'm giving you guys all this free knowledge that I've gained over the years of trading. Now, I'm not the best trader by any means, but it's something that does work for me, and it could work for you as well. So please consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys next time.